Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
You're trying to figure out how to remove someone from an email thread after you've already sent the message. This happens often, and it can be tricky. Here's the truth: you cannot magically pull back an email from someone's inbox once it has been delivered. That email is now on their server and in their possession. So, removing it completely isn't possible. However, you absolutely can prevent them from receiving any future replies within that specific email thread. The key is to be very careful with how you send your next message. When you go to reply to the thread, or hit reply all, make sure you manually edit the to and CC of fields. Carefully locate and delete the email address of the person you no longer want to include. Double check before you click send. Once you send that reply without them, they will not receive that message or any subsequent reply all messages you send from that point forward. Just be aware that if other people in the thread hit reply all later, they might accidentally bring the person back in if they don't also remove them. For the most reliable solution to truly remove someone from the ongoing conversation, the best approach is to start a completely new email. Compose a fresh email from scratch. Include only the individuals who should be part of the discussion. Give it a new, clear subject line, perhaps referencing the original topic, but making it distinct. This creates a clean separation and ensures the excluded person will not receive any further communication related to that specific subject. Always remember that the initial email remains in their inbox, but you can fully control who sees future messages.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.